Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix can't delete message on Messenger. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that, simply go ahead and open up your Messenger app over here. And let's say this is the person I have a conversation with and I would like to delete a certain text or a message. I'm gonna scroll. So let's say this is my message. If I long press on it, I have this option of delete. Tap on delete again. I have option of delete for everyone and delete for you. When I do that, I simply have the option and it has been deleted. You can see. Now if you're not being able to do so, then what you have to do is you have to check whether your app is updated or not, because if your app is not updated, then that is the Messenger's way of letting you know that it's your time to update your app. So all of the little errors that you're facing, including the deleting issue, will be fixed. Tap on update and tap on open. It should be fixed. If it still doesn't work, check out your internet connection, because when you're trying to delete, it might shut off or might be weaker, so it can cause the issue in the processing. So you can go ahead and long press on the app and reinstall the app as well for the another solution and re-log in and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.